Hey everyone, it's me, and today I'll show you how to recover a deleted video on Inshot. Let's dive into the process understanding the issue. If you open Inshot and find that a video you were working on is missing, it likely means the original file has been deleted. Recovery process: to recover the deleted video, head to your phone's gallery and look for the recycle bin or trash folder. Restore from recycle bin. In the recycle bin, locate the original video clip that was in your Inshot drafts and restore it. Verify in Inshot. After restoring the original file, go back to Inshot and reopen the app. The video should now be accessible in your drafts. Possible error: sometimes the video may not immediately load due to errors. If this happens, ensure you've tapped on OK when prompted. Important note: if the original file isn't present in your phone's gallery, there's no guaranteed way to recover it. Final steps: if this guide helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any further questions or issues. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful for you.